Good morning, everyone! Welcome to our channel, YUM7 Math Wizards. Today, we shall talk about and how to evaluate a function. F of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 8. The first thing we need to do is substitute the value of x, which is negative 2. F times to the quantity of negative 2 is equal to negative 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 times negative 2 minus 8. Negative 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. Plus 2 times negative 2 is equal to negative 4. Copy negative 8. 4 plus negative 4 is equal to 0. Just copy negative 8, and 0 minus negative 8 is equal to negative 8. And for our next example, f of x is equal to 4x minus 5. Substitute the value of x, which is x plus 1. F times the quantity of x plus 1 is equal to 4 times x plus 1 minus 5. We will use the distributive property. 4 times x is equal to 4x. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Copy negative 5. 4x plus 4 minus 5 is, i-copy mo ang 4x kaya wala siya like terms, then proceed to 4 minus 5 is equal to negative 1, and our final answer is 4x minus 1. And for our last example, f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 5 divided by x squared minus 6x plus 5. Substitute the value of x is equal to 1. F times the quantity of 1 is equal to 1 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 1 minus 5. Divided by 1 to the power of 2 minus 6 times 1 plus 5. 1 to the power of 2 is equal to 1 minus 4 times 1 is equal to negative 4, bring down negative 5. Divided by 1 to the power of 2 is equal to 1 minus 6 times 1 is equal to negative 6. Bring down positive 5. 1 minus 4 is equal to negative 3. Minus 5 is equal to negative 8. Divided by 1 minus 6 equals to negative 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Negative 8 divided by 0 is undefined. Next, letter B. Substitute the value of x, which is negative 1. F times the quantity of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 to the power of 2 minus 4 times negative 1 minus 5 divided by negative 1 to the power of 2 minus 6 times negative 1 plus 5. Negative 1 to the power of 2 is equal to 1. Negative 4 times negative 1 is equal to positive 4. Copy negative 5. Negative 1 to the power of 2 is equal to 1. Negative 6 times negative 1 is equal to positive 6. Bring down positive 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Divided by 1 plus 6 is equal to 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 0 divided by 12 is equal to 0. And for our next topic, we shall talk about addition and subtractions and functions. Before we proceed, let us know about their definition. Let f and g be functions. 1. Their sum is denoted by f plus g is a function denoted by f plus g times x is equal to f of x plus g of x. And for our first example, f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 3x plus 2. G of x is equal to x squared plus 9x plus 2. And for the solution, number 1. F plus g times the quantity of 2 is equal to f times the quantity of 2 plus g times the quantity of 2 is equal to 3 times 2 to the power of 2 plus 3 times 2 plus 2 plus 2 to the power of 2 plus 9 times 2 plus 2. 3 times 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 3 times 4 plus 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Copy positive 2 plus 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. 9 times 2 is equal to positive 18. Copy positive 2. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Copy positive 6 and positive 2. Plus, bring down positive 4, positive 18, and positive 2. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. 6 plus 18 is equal to 24. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 16 plus 24 plus 4 is equal to 44. For the second definition, their difference. denoted by f minus g, is the function denoted by f minus g times x is equal to f of x minus g of x. And for our first example, f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 3x plus 2. G of x is equal to x squared plus 9x plus 2. And for the solution number 2, f minus g times the quantity of 1 is equal to f times the quantity of 1 minus g times the quantity of 1 is equal to 3 times 1 to the power of 2 plus 3 times 1 plus 2 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 9 times 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 times 1 to the power of 2 is 3 times 1 plus 3 times 1 is equal to 3, copy positive 2, minus 1 to the power of 2 is equal to 1 plus 9 times 1 is equal to 9, copy positive 2. 3 times 1 is equal to 3, bring down 3 and positive 2. Distribute the negative sign so it will be negative 1 minus 9 minus 2. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and 3 minus 9 is equal to negative 6, and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 minus 6 minus 0 is equal to negative 4.